And then we just cut down all of the tree them and I go like we don't need them. Look what it costs you now. Them a issue warning, say a global warming, the earth to get hotter now.
Guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful day here in Jamaica, but it's not just a regular day. It is one of the most significant, actually the most significant day on Jamaica's environmental calendar. It is International Coastal Cleanup Day, and thanks to the Jamaica Environmental Trust, or the Jamaica Environment Trust, we have hundreds of groups participating across the country in cleaning up the beaches. I'm so excited. I'm on my way to meet a group downtown. I'm excited to be a part of it. You know how much I'm passionate about my country. I believe in Jamaica's preservation for ourselves, our children, and our grandchildren, and generations to come. I'm so excited, but it's just the right thing to do. You know, it's just the right thing to do. I'm gonna be there. I am actually on my way. I will be sharing pics and I will be sharing clips with you. So stay tuned. Alright, see that, guys?
Yeah. Yeah, so just we need to clean up the area that is along here. And then by 9:30, 9:40, I need everybody to be done so that we can take a group picture and then those who have to go will go. And the rest of us will go.
Alright guys, so that's the first leg. We're heading out now to the meeting place to meet with the other groups down there. Alright, stay tuned. Thank you. Look at him. What is that? And you'll notice a lot of people are here. Well, certainly more than where we were in Freeport area.
No, that must go in a one different song. When you record dead animals, it must go in somewhere else.
5, 7, 7 and 3, 10, 10 and 2, 12, 13 and 2, 14, 15. Hi guys, I'm with Deidre Shaw. She's a volunteer here. So I'm going to ask her a couple of questions. Hi Deidre. Hello. What is your role here?
Well, I am the International Service Director for the Rotary Club of Montego Bay. Annually we have the International Host of Cleanup. It is the largest volunteer day across the world. So organizing and ensuring that members and volunteers participate in the cleanup activities.
And how important is this to you, Deidre?
It's very important because it helps with the environment. It's very unfortunate the amount of garbage that we pick up each year, and we're hoping that through the cleanup as well as preventative measures being taught to the public, that we can be collecting less garbage over time, because it is causing real effects on the environment as well as the aquatic life.
Well, thank you. Well, guys, I'm just letting you know, but I've actually been working with Deidre and her team today. So I want to thank Deidre officially for having me.
You're welcome.
Deidre, thank you very much, and hopefully we do this again next year. And hopefully we have less garbage. Okay?
Let's hope.
Thank you very much. All the best.
Wonderful. So, first of all, I'd like to acknowledge all the different clubs, schools, community groups who are here this morning. So, my first alma mater school, when I showed you the primary school, Montego Bay Christian Academy. And then the second school that they went to high school was Capri, Herbert Mercer. We have Environment Club, we is for the largest school group. Now, this group has been coming for years. A couple of people, maybe a little 3 and then a little 6, but always led by their principal. And we're more than delighted to have 58 members of Montego Bay Christian Academy. Tanya is the president of the PTA, has children there. Oh my gosh, we're so delighted. Fabulous. Well done. 317 pounds. And we guys never won when I was for this group who came in early, eager, ready to go. And this was a group of brownies and one spouse who came from Bow Hill Primary. Come on up. And a lovely teacher, Khadijah. Come on in, Khadijah. Can you go? Come all the way, go down now.
International Cleanup Day live from Montego Bay. I am so heartened. I see such a wide cross section of people taking part. I am really elated, and I'm happy to be able to bring highlights of it to you as well.
And then we just cut down all of the tree them and I go like we don't need them. Look what it costs you now. Them a issue warning, say a global warming, the earth to get hotter now. Something I forgive, yeah.
Alright guys, we're at the Old Hospital Beach area, the Montego Bay Marine Park. A team from the Montego Bay Marine Park is here, coordinating some after work fun.
Everybody better know about recycle. You coulda drive, you coulda walk, you coulda cycle. Everybody better know about recycle. Holly look who wanna grow better know this. Cause right now the world is full of rubbish. Everybody better know this. Everybody better know about recycle.
See if we can drop a little freestyle.
Alright guys, I have someone here again. What's your name? Sash and Sash. Who do you represent?
I represent, I'm just a volunteer today.
Volunteer? Okay. What does this mean to you?
Well, it means a lot because I actually come to this week showing that we have persons out there who actually care to come out to get it clean. And I appreciate that and
Secrets get the other basket
because all the best.
Same to you.
Very. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, and the 21st of September are the day to remember. And we say the cleanup internationally crucial. So we take up the garbage, recycle if we try it. Not a place we don't rate that, so the place we are clean up. Good.
Guys, so we have somebody else again. Who are you? And
I'm Nadine from Secrets Resort Spa here in Jamaica.
great. And what does this mean for you?
Alright, Secrets, who's going to receive the Secrets prize?
It's essential, so we are here to play our part
in a bag of garbage, in a garbage bag full of good stuff.
And we ensure that the environment that we're in is clean as much as possible. It's very important.
Thank you.
Alright, so where's the cameras?
What makes Jamaica
presentation?
Just people.
The people.
The people of
Thank
Jamaica.
you, Nadine. All the best. Hey guys, I have someone else again. Who are you? And what?
My name is Akira.
All right, so
and I'm from the Sam Sharp Teachers College. I just do my
Okay, great. And why is this
calling
important?
all the drummers.
Why is this important to you?
An announcement for the one who collected the most.
cleaning up the beach in general. Why is it important? Well, one, to protect our reefs and our animals, basically, or our aquatic life.
Wonderful. Thank you. What makes Jamaica special?
Jamaica?
Yeah.
Because there is no place like home. Like Jamaica is home for everybody.
All right. Thank you. You're not a security. You say security, but you're not really a security, are you?
Oh no, I'm just supervising today.
Hi guys, I'm here with a group from
Montego Bay Community College!
All right.
Action
All right. And why is this important to you?
to clean up the beach.
Yes.
It's important to me because me love fish.
You love And you?
Well, cleaning the beach is very important for marine life, and it also helps the ecosystem.
Okay.
Helps us to be alive. So if we don't keep the environment clean, we can't be alive.
Okay, proud of you guys. All the best. Well, that's it, guys. Certainly a fun way to make a meaningful impact on our environment. I'm so proud to see everybody coming out, young, old, and in between. Schools, churches, service clubs, government agencies, all kind of people, businesses coming out. Thank you for watching. I hope it means something to you. I'm going to challenge you, though. Do something every day to help us sustain this, the only real estate we have, which is called Earth. Thank you very much. God bless you. Please share a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Take care.
We all think that we're so mighty, but if we cannot see with me,